Welcome to Techno Learning. In this video, I'm gonna unbox this Apple Macbook Pro 13-inch 5112 GB SSD and 16 GB RAM. Okay, so let me unfold this and then let me open this packaging first of all. So I'm cutting it with the cutter. Okay, here you can see that this is the packaging provided by Apple itself, as I have ordered it from Apple official site. Okay, so now this box, actually this is very rigid, so let me just take this out if it is possible from this end. Okay, so for now let me take this from this hand. Okay, so here you can see that I have to make cuts and then it gonna be unboxed. Okay, so here you can see. So now you can see the another box which contains the MacBook Pro. So let me take this out and let me clear all this thing and show it to you. Okay, so this is the MacBook. Here you can see, check it out. Also there is outside packaging on this, and now let me just try to show you from different angles. Like, okay, so here's the famous name, that is MacBook Pro, and then let me take this out from which end. Okay, so Apple logo is there, and for now let me remove this polythene from here. And then also in this video I gonna set up my MacBook in front of you. We'll share everything about it. Okay, so first of all let's take the MacBook outside now. Okay guys, so now you can see that this is the beauty of Apple MacBook Pro. Very sleek design. Also it is M1 chip variant guys, the latest one. Now you can see this, everything is looking awesome, and it's gray in color. Actually I've ordered the gray variant, and in the previous MacBooks this Apple logo was lightning, but not possible right now. Okay, so these are the accessories like charger and cables. Okay, so first of all let me take this out, and then I gonna show you the adapter also, which is just fallen and I just take it back. Thought of like I gonna edit this video, but can't possible. So now you can see the accessories. Okay, let me see what does it contains. I think it's a Apple welcoming letter kind of thing. Okay, so it is written like designed by Apple in California. Okay, and now let me take something out from this. Actually I think it contains some logos that you can use somewhere else. Yeah, so you can use them, like paste it somewhere else. Maybe they are like when you reflect some light on it, they can reflect. Okay, gonna test them also. Okay, so what else it contains? The box contains these things only guys, and the cost of this MacBook variant, that is 5112 GB SSD and 16 GB RAM, is around 1,64,000 in Indian rupees. Okay, so now let me on this. Okay, one more packaging to the screen. Here you can see this Apple logo. Okay, so now it is loading as I'm on this, and beside this you can also see my brother who's holding the camera. Okay, now we have to choose the language. So I've chosen the language as English. Now the country, so I'm choosing the country as India. So actually I'm setting up this MacBook Pro. Okay, then continue, and then you have to choose the accessibilities, and then finally the network Wi-Fi. You need a Wi-Fi. Then you have to set up a computer account, like you have to enter the name, username, and you have to give the password also. So I'm gonna provide all these things here, and it's just like that. And the password, repeated password should be typed, and continue. You have to set up the iCloud keychain here, and then I'm gonna continue. Okay, and now analytics, whether you want to give your information to Apple to improve their performance or not. Here you have to set up the Siri. Okay, so now the Siri, and it will say like you have to say few commands, then it will verify your microphone is working fine with Siri, and you can command anything to Siri to start with this MacBook. Okay guys, so let me check what does it says. Okay, so now to click on continue. Hey Siri, hey Siri. Okay, so it has listened, and now another command. Hey Siri, open the document folder. As you can see that the processing is pretty faster. Hey Siri, open the documents folder. Sometimes it miss out also. Okay. Hey Siri, what does the rest of my day look like? So yeah, Siri is ready, and now I don't want to share the recordings, so not now. Click on continue. Okay guys, so here you have to give this some disk encryptions, like what else, and now the important thing, that is the Touch ID. You have to click on that button and place your finger, just like a phone. You have to provide your fingerprints here. So I am giving it my both of the fingerprints of both of the hands. Okay, so that I can start it with both of my fingers. Okay, so let me try to do this, and then I will be clicking on continue. Choose your look, light, auto or dark. So I gone for auto, and then continue. Okay, so guys, the MacBook is almost set up, and now it's gonna take you to the main screen. Also, this wallpaper is very famous thing, like it uses the Big Sur OS. So I'll also check some updates, like whenever you bought a new machine, then you must check its configurations and also check for the latest updates, so that your device can run smoothly. Okay guys, so first of all, let me take up the cursor to the top, and then to click on settings. Okay, and here you can see that I am clicking on that software updates and checking for the updates guys. So if there's any update, then I gonna update this MacBook, and if there is no updates, then it's pretty good. I don't have to download the updates. Okay, so it says that your Mac is up to date, and Mac OS Big Sur 11.4 version. Okay guys, so here I have to provide the password also. I can use the fingerprints instead of providing password. Like typing is not a kind of thing when you have the fingerprints. Okay guys, so this is all for this video. Thank you for watching this video, and keep on subscribing Techno Learning.